friends, this is Miss Lynn, and today we're going to do an awesome experiment called water fireworks. If you're ready, let's get started. First, fill the tall glass with water and set aside. Pour oil into the other glass. Add 2 drops of each any food coloring to the glass with the oil. Stirring it using a stirring stick and stop once you break the food coloring into smaller drops. Then pour the oil and coloring mixture into the tall glass. Now watch. The food coloring will slowly sink in the glass, with each droplet expanding outwards as it falls. Food coloring dissolves in water, but not in oil. So when you pour in your food coloring oil mixture, the oil will float at the top of the water because it is less dense, and the food coloring begins to dissolve once they sink through the oil into the water. This is the reason the colors falls like fireworks in the water. Hope you enjoyed these awesome experiments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.